My name is attorney Hakeem Muhammad. I'm the founder of Muhammad Law Center. Muhammad Law Center was founded to protect the human rights of African Americans. In December, I, alongside my co-counsel, Ezene Adibe, we filed a civil rights lawsuit against members of the Omaha Police Department for their conduct in a traffic stop involving the world champion boxer Terence Crawford, in which the police made an allegation that the brother Crawford was speeding, and in response to that, the officers decided to pull out their firearms in response to a minor allegation of a traffic infraction. Muhammad Law Center, alongside my co-counsel Ezene Adibe, we took on this case and we sued the officers involved because we see it as a classic case of driving while black, where police mistreat black people, they pull them over, they mistreat them, and they escalate the situation unnecessarily to lethal force. The officers pulling out their firearms, putting each of those passengers in that vehicle in fear of their lives was completely unacceptable, and it should have never happened. Now, in recent weeks, the news media has been reporting erroneously that the officers who were sued were dismissed from the case. This is completely inaccurate. As it stands today, on July 8th of 2026, not a single police officer has been dismissed from this case. And the media, the news journalists who are reporting this misinformation that the officers were dismissed, misread the legal decision. The judge took note of the fact that we sued the city of Omaha and we sued the police officers in both their official and their individual capacity. And because we sued the city of Omaha, the judge found it duplicative to sue each of the officers in their official capacity. However, each of the officers are continuing to be defendants in this lawsuit in their individual capacity. So the fight for accountability continues on. Not a single officer, as it stands on July 8th of 2026, has been dismissed from this case. Now, we do recognize that the fight is far from over. There are corrupt legal doctrines such as qualified immunity that we attempt that these defendants will try to hide behind to avoid accountability. And we will work and we will continue to work to hold these officers accountable, because we believe that black people should be free to drive on the streets in peace, that minor traffic infractions for black people should not result in a life or death situation. Thank you.